All right, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you can make sure there isn't something you can just factor out immediately, because that'll make life way easier. So I just magically know that we can factor a 4 out of this whole thing. So, all right, so 4, and then what do we get? Actually, we should just do it like this. Okay, so 4 and then 3q squared. Then what?
Plus 11q.
Plus 11q.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. All right. And then we're going to do Floy. And then we'll check the last at the end. Okay, so our first, how do we get our first?
3 and 1.
Right, so 3, and I'll put 3q and 1q. So our first is taken care of. All right, now let's take care of our last. How do we get 4?
4 and 1.
4 and 1. I'll put the 4 there, put the 1 there, and we're going to go outside plus, outside. So multiply those together plus inside. And we end up with what and what?
3 times 4.
3 plus 4.
Oh, 3 plus 4. Okay.
Because 3 plus 4 gave us 11? Wait, 3 plus 4 can give us 11?
Wait, no.
No, so then what do we do?
You need to switch the numbers.
So yeah, switch these guys right here. All right, so we put 4 here and 1 here. Yeah. All right, so then what do we get here?
12.
12 and
1.
And can 12 and 1 give us 11?
Yes.
How can 12 and 1 give us 11?
12 minus 1.
12. So positive 12, negative 1. And which one gave us the 12, the outside or the inside?
The outside.
So the outside gets the positive, the inside gets the negative. And then do your last again right here. Just make sure all the signs are straight.
Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4.
Is that good? Then we're done. Okay, so what do we do?
So you first write Floy.
Floy, all right.
And then you're gonna look at your first number and what are the multiplies of that? 3 and 1.
Okay, so what do I put down?
3n and 1n.
Good. I'll just write it.
And then you look at your last and what multiples get you 7. 7 and 1.
All right. 7 and 1. Now what?
And then you're going to multiply the outsides,
Okay.
which you get 3, and multiply the insides, which you get 7, and add those together.
Go ahead.
7 plus 3 equals 10, which is the middle number.
Good. And is the middle number exactly 10? What is the middle number?
It's negative 10, so it needs to be negative 7 and negative 3.
Okay. So negative 7 and negative 3. All right. And then we check our last again to make sure everything is good.
And then negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7.
That's it.
Perfect.